Hello guys, I hope you are well. So in this video I am going to discuss the if else statement practically. In the previous one you know that I just provide you a theoretical lecture on this if else statement and also else if statement. So in this one I am going to show you how you can use if else statement in our Python programming code. So here I just show you a simple code which I have already discussed in the theoretical lecture, which is pass or fail program. So here first of all we just declare a variable name mark where I just import a integer value 15, which is the mark of a student. So now I am going to compare this mark, which is a student mark. I just comment out here for your understanding. So now I am going to compare this value for if condition. We have to declare a condition after the if. So when this mark is greater than equal 33, just like this, mark is greater than equal 33, here you have to put a colon. So then it will print the student is pass, or shortly we can type pass here. So when the mark is greater than 33, then it will print pass. So here I have already taken another if statement here, where mark is less than equal 33, then it will print the fail here, like this, print fail. So when the mark is greater than when the mark is less than 33, then it will print fail. So let's check again. When mark is come here, mark is greater than equal 33, then it will print the pass. When this is true, then it will print fail. So now I'm going to run this code. Run this code from here. So you can see the output will show the pass here. That means 15 is greater than equal 33. So that's why the print pass. If the mark is greater than equal to 33, here we just print a statement pass here. So now let's decrease this value into 20. So run this code again. Sorry, we have to run this code. Now let's check. Here you can see it will print fail because 20 is less than 33. Actually what happened there, the 20 comes here and it will check greater than equal 33. That means it is false, then it will execute from this if statement and come here and check this condition. 20 is less than 33, which is actually true. That's why it will print this statement, that means fail. Here you can see how it will work. So now I am going to tell you another thing. Here we just use two if statement, but we have when we have one condition, then we have no need to declare if statement more and more, because it will take time when you declare different types of if statement in your code. It will take much time to check and print the output. So when you have one condition, then you can use one if and other one is else. That means when we declared many more if statement in our code, it will the compiler will check all the condition of the if, then it will print the output. So for this we just remove this one and type else. That means when the mark come here, it will check this condition of if. It will check 20 get 33, then it will print this one, otherwise it will print fail. So this is the use of if and else statement in our code. So now here you can get this mark input from the user by using input, which we have already discussed in the previous lecture. You can check. So I just get the value from the user using input function. So here you can type mark. So this is now a string format. Now we have to typecast. So now I am typecast in integer like this one. Close this bracket. So we have converted our string into integer value. So now run this code. Here you can see now we can input from here. Suppose I just type 20 and like this 20, then enter. It will print fail. So again I just run this code. Now I am going to take marks 15. It will print pass. So now I am going to show you another program, which is actually how you can check an odd number is odd or even. And if you enter a number, it will check if this number is odd or not. So in this program we are going to show how can you check this. So first of all, we need to get the value from the user. I just store it in num variable. So change it to num. Just remove this one. So in if condition, I will just type num when a number is even, when the number is divided by 2 and the remainder equal 0, then it will print the number is even. So this is the condition of even number. When the number divided by 2 and the remainder equal 0, then it will print even, otherwise it will print odd. So this is the very simple code. Just run this code. Let's check the output. So just type integer value Here I just put the 10 value from here. You can see this will print even. That means 10 divided by 2 and the remainder equal is 0. That's why it will print even. So now again run code. Just type 15, which is a odd number. So just enter. You can see it will print odd because this 15 is odd, because when divided by the 15 divided by 2, the remainder is not equal 0, so it will execute the else statement. So in this way you can compare different types of conditional program like this using if and else. So in the next video I am going to show you how can you use if, else if and else statement in a code. Thank you for today.